Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. Then I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a few seconds. It runs in the browser. Now I should be able to open it locally. It is. I am the guy in the middle. Today I play Tamer. The sides are enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. My HP reaches 0, I die. My pets attack them and protect me. Now the goal of the game is a high score, which is based on how far away from the middle I die. So I have to fight my way with enemies to get as far away as possible. Enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. But my pets get stronger the more I kill. And I can feed my pet. They're hungry. Get a happy face. And now I play until I die. If I feed them too much, they get fat, heavy, and slow. Shouldn't feed them too much, but they do more damage if they are big. First boss. Let's see. Painter eats less is good. This never gets fed. No, doesn't want less. Dash. It's less for dashes. Okay. Less happy. Okay, let's take these. Now my pets have abilities. Is the brass one. With the painter, he makes shapes. And green dashes. And also the range of the brass grows a bit if he gets bigger. It's too small, he won't press at all. Next bossing. Protect me. Now I can upgrade their abilities. Take this. Take. I have the painter. It's not good. Fireline is good. I would love slow, never gets fat. Better than no CC. Him a lot. I can no longer see how fat he is. Again. No, come up. Okay, top. Let's protect top. And already killed. It's fat. Painters eats less longer. Duplicate. Which never gets fat. Food is good, but range gets fat easily. I take. It's unhappy. Oh, maybe. Me. Split and very hungry. Take. Is not too. I take it. Food short leash I don't want. Gets fat easily. Dasher. I don't like any one of these. I take short leash for now. Short leash never gets fat. No. Take range. Okay, he's unhappy. More hearts. Much. Right. Did not feed enough. Does he eat more? He's unhappy again. Did get very hungry, okay. To feed him regularly. Protect me, protect. You. Okay. He is very hungry, which is bad. It's less I take. He is small love. Shorter leash, longer leash, and fireline is good. US one. Either slow or range or long. It's less. Like it's less. Okay, perfect. Gets a painter. It's less. Okay, shouldn't need so much food anymore. I. Oh. Is tiny king tiles. Spots protect, protect. Thank you. Let's see. Food is very hungry. I don't want loves food or gets fat easily. Dash or fireline. Food doesn't get fed too often, so it's okay. Fire lines are very hungry, is not so easy. Longer leash, slow. Oh, this is okay. Explode should be. It was. Oh, oh no. T is small. Okay, boss ink. Protect me. It was good enough. Still die very split happy one, let's take it. Fireline very hungry. Talish. I take very hungry. I have one more. Small love. Okay. Doesn't. Take me. These explosions which kill bosses so fast. And now it's fed. Okay. Firelines to stay slim. Or eat less. Good. Yeah, it's fed. No, I want fed. Happy one. It's food. And I take heavy one. Come to an end. Oh, I lost someone there. Oh, and I got it. Okay. I have a new test one. Gimme. Object. Data. Tamerlong. Tamerlong here. C score 13499. Yes. 2240. It's perfect. Now, what do I work on today? New tamer test one. I already did it. Make boss area have no enemies. Let's activate boss area again. I found where I deactivated. think I have to think first. Currently, I have no indication this is a boss area. Which means I need this information to be part of the map. Call it this area. Size, the number, why did big? Because this is not the definition. Game map. Type game map. Size and need a value to determine distance away from middle. How did I call it? Chunk end. Chunk start. Chunk first boss chunk or something. First chunk. From the boss area. Have to think. Like all have the same number chunks until boss area. This doesn't sound correct. Chunk ID, chunk number chunks until area. So number chunks until this might work until boss area. Don't need a boss area. If I set it let's put it in here. Size 3. Number until is 10. Maybe I should do it like more distance. Like can we calculate it? do this. And tile size 40 chunk length 8. This and divide and make more. File size multiply it. Fine. Maybe I do it differently. Let's do it. Can const it. Yep. And I can do eight function add post to map. It's not in it boss area. Map game map boss area. Export. Thing gets exported. I init the boss area. Now if map point boss area, I do this. Chunk length. Okay, this one doesn't see. Can change it up. There's no boss area. It's N1000. chunks until did I figure no configure a different map generation. I will rename it. Rename it's an end boss area. So until here nothing should have changed. Can I do? This is incorrect. This is for type. To export type map game map and boss area. And this code. But the pass doesn't listen to it. Oh no, he has. So I have the problem that to know if I can spawn enemies, I need to basically a function its boss area is chunk boss area. I need chunk I, chunk J, map. Exit. I'm wondering if chunk I, chunk J, I always mix it up. Probably should rename it, I guess. Also, it might be a lot. My brain doesn't like it. Was is for cases I need to check? Left, top, right, and bottom. At least it's away. Can I make this function easier? First check is boss area and then check which walls to set. And different approach. So I need this could return. Only it's a boolean. But I could also return the direction. Does this help? Maybe a little. Mm. Based on size and distance. Could no chunk boss error. I'm in generation. I have to think more. To have something like function top left corner. Area. Then here could have like direction like north, south, and so on. And based on this, I return ij. For all boss areas. Maybe that's it. Sounds interesting. Top left corner of boss areas. I need the map, game map. I have it's not even the game map, it's boss area. Yep, top left corner chunk ij. And what do I return? Say north first. Result, I don't even know its type yet. Result 0. Is type. I just need ij. Then I have the boss area and I can easily check. So this result is object array of I number j number. Basically. If I areas and area chunk boss area. Do I need the game? No. can for about it, and probably this. Area corners. Let's call it corner of corner. If um, something I return true, and its corner I is here equals chunk I, and a smaller chunk I size, and the same corner J. I always calculate them again, but not a problem for now. Could also be marked in the map, no, the chunk. Missing map chunk, tiles, characters. What do is boss chunk. And just if I create it, I know that of always calculating is boss chunk boolean like this. In generation I could set it. And if the player is in it, this boss chunk is end boss area chunk. Then on generation I could already flip it. Calculating it once would help. Now let's get the chunk points. I don't know which directions they are, but one is boss area number chunks until. Is it +1? Equals. Is not included in the path generation. Okay. So this must be correct. And the second one is was area size divided by 2 mass 0.4 and ein negative. Make and I push it. Can opposite. Opposite. Can switch J and I. This would mean okay, and now I need sync 1. I go in the other direction. I go left. It's the same idea. And then I go up. This amount should be all same here. I go negative. I think this works. Can this help me with the generation? Could calculate the corners. Check if I'm in a corner. Not if I'm in an area, but I should know which area. If I'm in the area, I can determine which walls I need to do. Let's see. Function B. No, this is my 2. Let's start with this. No, let's I get the corners. I loop over them. I have my chunk I and chunk J and check if I'm in this area. If I'm in this area, I need to put up walls. That's similar to a bit more complicated. I need to look for all the chunk points. At least I can return after it. I guess he doesn't like this formatting. I think I broke it. Format. Nope. Format. Okay. I go over all the corners. If this over all areas, I'm in the area, then I go over all positions to set the chunk value. And now I need to decide if I place a wall. Only if something, change it to a wall. And the something is top, bottom, left or right wall. I could decide here. And do the same. Basically, can on the next restart wall. This is the case a corner point J is equals chunk J is correct. I guess as corner and wall and size same J with I point size. Check for more. Yes. Chunk length minus, yes. And now switch them. See what happens. Wish. I have 0 errors. And everything broke. Act and pause area. That's activated, I think. Yes. If I am chunk I, chunk SI, I, F3, south. It's definitely shorter, but it doesn't work yet. Something feels off. I know what feels off. If I go to the left, I also have to area point size, and the same here. But this shouldn't change too much. I have 3 lines which are incorrect, but they get painted based on so the position is off. It's only doesn't make sense that it's here's something else. It's only horizontal. It's completely off. What could be the problem? Number chunks until distance 1000 divided in a 20, so it's 3 chunks approximately. I probably should see the chunks generated. This one. Alt. -1, -1, 3, -6. But it's a spicy, so it's correct. These look good. Next one is here. I have a corner of -1, 3. And I have the chunk minus v1. They come in the different order. I is no I minus 3. Ah, okay, now I see it. I need here I am minus 1, 3. So it's neither left or right corner. And chunk J is 3. 1, it shouldn't be anything, no walls, I think. False, 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 perfect. Next one. Minus 3, 2. Still nothing. Go here. False, 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 false. Minus 3, 3. So J is 3 is equals 3. I should have J and wall. No? Start wall. True. Okay. So I would expect these are false. The J 0. Set to 1. I'm confused how often I'm in here. J7I0. I'm already. I interpreted. I have a wall to 2 walls in a corner. Zero, 0 is the first. I set him to 1. One. Feels like I'm setting a lot. I'm confused. Thing happens like I wanted. Not where I imagined. Let me search for is a line. Yes, 3 chunks is a 4th chunk. Still don't understand what's going wrong. This doesn't. I set every chunk to 0. And these trees are. This is correct, but here are. They are not cleared. This is strange. And was chunk. What am I missing? It's chunk stuff. I generate. I tell endpoints chunk stuff, which is stupid, but it is. And was chunk stuff. And this chunk area gets the corners to a lot. Do we assign definitely comes through here? Somehow I mess up and I don't see it. Not cleared, not cleared. It shouldn't be possible. And if I change it again, it will work. Oh, what is the difference? Don't need to return. I need the entry point in the end still. Go over the chunk. This input chunk. J. I. There. I'm completely confused. Let's change it up. Can just return here. I can say if is boss area chunk I chunk j. I still need one value. Yes. How did I call it? Area. Then I just set it to 4. Okay. There's something. These areas are not correct. Let's think. There are 2 times the same. Let's think for the first. I go to the right by, in my opinion, 3. And I go up by 1, up by 1. I go always wide and down. The idea. Wide and more wide. I'm confused if I do this. I moved it down by 2. So I is down, not left, but it shouldn't change anything. Number chunks until. Number chunks until is... I never checked the value. But the path is based on it. Is this a problem? And map. Do I have the map here? Was area. Number chunks. What happened? Give me just the object. It's a 3. This should be a 3. How is this a 5? Only thing I see it goes if it goes up. So I have the I, I feel confused. Where is my... Where do I think incorrect? The pass works. Didn't end it. If bigger the start, absolute I consider not consider negative correctly. I to me wake point something. I'm not map generation. Yeah, I said it. Did waypoint chunk I equals 1 chunk j equals 1. Now I am in here. 1 1. Oh, that's incorrect. This won't set to 4. I have added again to the right. It's j. Down up is I, so it's minus. Save. I think this is correct. This chunk boss area is 2. I'm already past what I wanted to check. Go in here. So I have minus 1 1. I have the corner minus 1 3. It's 1 3. I add to the wrong one. The corner. Okay, I found my incorrect thinking, and this is this plus. Is this one correct? Small. And it's also incorrect here. First, let's see. What did I break? This chunk boss area doesn't happen at all now. Because this needs to be bigger. I I am in this chunk. Does this need to be smaller? And here, this is bigger equals, chunker is okay. Has to be smaller. When I've added, it has to be bigger, I think. It's getting better. Two areas are correct, two are too far away. Why? This means the negative one are one too far away. I subtract size. I would add +1, but why? This is 3. This is the one where it should be in it. So I basically move it too far. It's only 2 off basically, okay. Now I have this. I didn't fix it. It's still not. I do the same thing. But I have to subtract 1, I think. Nope. So the start walls. I only see the top walls currently. Neither the left. Only top. Only top is this one. I would have expected 2 to top and is bottom. again. Let's just set all to 1 for one moment. This is confusing. Doesn't modify every chunk, every tile. Why is this incorrect? Corner IJ. It's like IJ are somehow used. Change everything to 1. I, J, 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 I, J. Clearly doesn't glue over everything. If I move this here, it's doing the same. Yes. No, this wouldn't make any sense. If I move it here. I remove this. Ah, the return. It's in the wrong position. Now stuff could work. Simple mistakes. I don't see them. So this means this is working and this old version can be moved. Now I need the entrance. Hmm. If I'm a corner, I do all these. I could have checked how I did it before, maybe. Could also check size 2. I think this works now. Yes. Size 1 also works. Now let's think. Not much progress today. Is chunk boss area. I get the area. Check which walls to place. and I need each one I could also add do I add? Based on the chunks. Would determine the entry. I could add, change this one around. Let's pass, add one more pass. Maybe this is easy. Now if it's smaller, I could do this. I do another if. No, smaller. Else. Else if another chunk j is bigger than 0. Else it's 0, else a chunk length -1. Now this creates the entry point. Do the same. Add this. Add. This should work. Perfect. And this chunk boss area. Don't know if I need it. Would test it here. Uh, Now I can remove it, I think. The chunk does not have the information. Not good. It was turns not a chunk. So I change this up to be a map chunk. Copy this. Shorten it down. I can const them. I can const map chunk. Be this type tiles. Perfect. Now I have chunk, chunk, turn the map chunk. I put in the map chunk in here. Instead of map chunk. Change it up. Oops. No. Map chunk, chunk. No. Tiles. Thank you. This one can this. The map chunk, const chunk equals map chunk tiles. Probably should rename it into tiles. And the moment I'm in here, map chunk is boss chunk is equals true. Format is like this, maybe I should like this. No. Somehow doesn't like this type of formatting. Now I set it to true in boss chunk area. And now if I create a character length null, chunks if chunk point is and was chunk done. No, I shouldn't have. No, I only have inside. Now they are empty. of pass in, and next one is game task. If my player is in this chunk, he shouldn't count. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. And but character tick. Tick. Get player characters. This is not quite determine closest character. I want not quite this one. Find all references. Boss enemy. Damn. That is not pet. Calculate distance. Can be null. Assumes there is someone returned. Closest distance. Do I return if I don't find 0? So if there are no characters, I return 0 as min distance. Okay. Closest is 0. This is incorrect. Ah, good. Let's. All these calculations are good. Can be null. What did I do? I'm not use the closest. Should I want to filter boss area and boss area? Exclude and boss area is boolean and false by default. I could now say this one wants to exclude it. Would also exclude it here. Well, let's do it here for now. If exclude boss area if my character the position to chunk. To map tile, position to map key. My characters do I have character position? I don't have the map. Other game. I need the map in this case. Map or undefined. Don't like. Now I have map. What do I need? That's the map. What did I do? Okay, end map. Turns string. Map key is this and map chunks map key point this chunk this if chunk suppose continue. I should have one error. Let's see. Okay, state map. I have some error. Game test. Why should the game test break now? Map chunky. New chunk. Ah yes, this is part of the create now. They now ignore me. Not what I wanted. Again. This is a model. I changed something here. Thank you. I did. Here. I exclude boss area and map. Should be the case. Position to map key of the character. Determine closest character. Okay, not the best. This map chunk is end boss area chunk. I continue. Now they don't run to me at all. But not every chunk is a end boss chunk, is it? Or did I mess up? I can just pause. Have the game. State map. I just no chunks. 03. This looks believable. Then let's find better breakpoint in I think it's in character. $200 or determine closest character. Yeah. Map key is U minus 2. Chunk is doesn't have is end boss. Oh. Should. Oh, I changed one other thing. I have the closest. In distance character. I now not. This is incorrect. It has to exist. Follow me. And they stop following me. Them. Hello. Okay, but This is working. Why can I scroll? Okay. Now the boss spawns. He also ignores me. Is this correct? Stop pathfinding. Don't think he stops. Now he knows the way to me. That's a good question. Should the death circle be part of boss area? So if I'm too late, I'm also having problems. Interesting. Okay, but so I made slow progress. I have no boss enemy and enemies not run into area. And some refactor and redesigning. Let's put it in disabled. I would disable it now by not adding boss areas. The test was successful. Can I stop my test? Seems fine. This it's was normal enum was area some boss area code redesign or is it a refactor? Something in between. Okay. Game task. Create a boss for boss area. I can have a few more planned steps maybe. I don't think I start today. One. How do I do it? I first need to design a boss, which is create a boss for boss area. How does it work? Is it part of the map chunk? Do I need sentence stop test zone? How was it called? Test circle. Test circle. I also need to think about stop boss spawn in multiplayer begins once every player in boss area. But I have the problem if single player is also different. The builder can build inside the area before the boss battle begins. There's a few things I should protect. That's a different problem. These are things to remember. Need put it somewhere in. Is it part of the map or part of the game state? Part of the game state definitely. Have bosses. Bosses can exist from the start. And to game state bosses model. I need a create and boss. Create a default and boss default function. I need in characters an end boss enemy type, because I need a trigger. So maybe I should do it differently. Once all players are inside boss area, trigger close of entrance. Close of entrance. Spawn boss. I could just throw any boss in here. I could do this here. The spawn boss start with a default boss. Default boss, boss enemy. What should I do if a normal enemy and normal boss is alive? This could be the conditions for the end boss to start. Spawn boss, start with default boss, stop this is the boss spawn, and then I need okay, I think this is first thoughts. Let's run my automated test in the background. See if everything still works. Maybe I should record my execution times, but I currently I just need to check if it doesn't run too slow. And the stopped pathfinding is something I might not a problem now. Mm-hmm. It was pretty slow at the end, but barely enough. Perfect. Test still run. Have no indication of much time it took in the past, but important now. I think I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.